Learning by doing, an exciting way to learn. Have you ever learned something new by actually doing it? Maybe you baked a cake or built a birdhouse. That's what experiential learning is all about. It's a fun and exciting way to learn by getting your hands dirty and trying things out for yourself. Instead of just reading about something in a book, experiential learning lets you jump right in. Imagine learning about plants by growing your own garden, or understanding fractions by baking a pizza. That's what makes this way of learning so special. Experiential learning is like going on an adventure. You get to explore, make mistakes, and discover new things along the way. And the best part, you remember what you learn because you've actually experienced it firsthand. Hands-on and minds-on, the power of experience. So, how does experiential learning really work? It's all about using your hands and your mind at the same time. You get to do something hands-on, like building a model or conducting an experiment, but you also think deeply about what you're doing. This active learning helps you understand things better. You're not just memorizing facts, you're connecting the dots and seeing how things work in real life. Plus, when you work with others, you learn from their experiences too. Experiential learning encourages you to ask questions, try new things, and learn from your mistakes. It's like a puzzle you solve by trying different pieces until you find the perfect fit. The learning journey from doing to understanding. Imagine you're learning to ride a bike. First, you might watch someone else do it, then you try it yourself, maybe with some wobbly moments at first. You learn from your mistakes, adjust your balance, and finally you're riding. That's similar to the experiential learning cycle. It starts with a concrete experience, like actually riding the bike. For engineering students, it might be building a robot or designing a bridge. Then you reflect on what happened. What went well? What could you do better? Next, you connect your experience to bigger ideas. You realize that principles like balance and coordination apply to your projects too. Finally, you take what you've learned and try again, improving each time. This hands-on approach prepares you for real-world problem solving. Why experiential learning works. Unlocking your potential. Experiential learning is like a key that unlocks your potential. When you learn by doing, you remember information better because you've connected it to a real experience. It's like creating a mental picture that stays with you. This method also helps you develop important skills for life, like problem solving, critical thinking, and teamwork. These skills are valuable in any situation, whether you're working on a school project or facing a challenge in your everyday life. Experiential learning helps you become a more confident and independent learner. You learn to trust your instincts, try new things, and find solutions on your own. Real, world-ready, preparing for success. In today's world, it's not enough to simply memorize facts. Employers are looking for people who can think critically, solve problems, and work well with others, and that's exactly what experiential learning helps you develop. Imagine you're applying for a job. Wouldn't it be great to share examples of projects you've worked on, problems you've solved, and skills you've gained through hands-on experiences? That's what makes experiential learning so valuable for future careers. By engaging in hands-on projects, internships, and real-world simulations, you gain practical skills and knowledge that prepare you for success in any field you choose. The future of learning. Embracing experience. Experiential learning is more than just a teaching method. It's a transformative approach to education. It empowers students to become active participants in their own learning, fostering curiosity, creativity, and a love for lifelong learning. As we embrace the future of education, let's encourage more hands-on experiences, collaborative projects, and real-world applications in the classroom. By doing so, we can equip students with the skills, knowledge, and confidence they need to thrive in an ever-changing world. Let's inspire a generation of lifelong learners who are prepared to embrace challenges, solve problems, and make a positive impact on the world around them.